Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all control gestures for your Earbuds T5 too. So, if your headphones is idle, you can enable or disable transparency mode by press one time at the left earbud. So press on it and you enable a transparency mode, and it said also it have voice prompt, so it's added. And to disable it, press one more. And it also said that transparency is off. Now, if you press two times on your right earbud, you will call your voice assistant. I have iOS, so I call Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. 1, 2. And now, as you can see, Siri is awake. Now let's go to the music. And you can play and pause the song by pressing one time on your right earbud. 1. And I pause the song. One more. And I should play a song, yes? Maybe let's check again. Pause. And play. Yeah, it worked. Now, to play next track, press two times on your right earbud. 1, 2. Here we go. And to play previous track, press two times on your left earbud. 1, 2. And we did it. Now, to increase the volume, press and hold on your right earbud. So I'm press and hold. And as you can see, it increases the volume. To lower it, just press and hold on your left earbud. And here we go. Also, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing one time on your right earbud. So you just press on it and you answer the call. To finish it, press two times. 1, 2, and you will finish the call. And when you speak with someone, you can mute and unmute the microphone. Just press two times on your left earbud. So 1, 2, and you will mute the microphone. And 1, 2 to unmute it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!